whoever remembers him, he gets rid of all kind of disease and gets the real wealth.
तो
That's
इसको
why
हम
in
लोग
this,
बदल दिया ना, उसका याद करना, सब कुछ करना, तो इसका वो नहीं करेगा ना, इसको लेफ्ट हैंड वाला कर दीजिए।
in this material world, people they take it in a different way, little different way. On this day they go out for shopping and they consider that whatever they will buy today, that will stay for forever with them. Akshay.
प्रभु जी वो अमृत कलश यही तो लेके आए थे ना?
अमृत का कलश धन्वंतरी जी लेके आए थे।
हाँ, उसने अमर करने के लिए लाया था। तो हम लोग एक विषय है ना, हमारा दिल विजय में फंसा, तो हम उसको अक्षय करने चाहता हूँ।
शरीर को
ऐसे ही भगवान ने विषय कौन है?
एकमात्र भगवान।
विषय कौन है? विषय है कृष्ण। तो हम लोग कौन का विषय मानता है?
जगत की वस्तुओं को।
ये विषय है। ऐसे ही हम लोग जितना है ये उल्टा अर्थ लेने वाला।
So Maharaj is saying that Dhanvantari, when demons and demigods, when they were churning the ocean, at that time, when medicines, Amrit produced at that time, that was being carried by Dhanvantari, and then because
कलश लेके आया।
in the kalash, in one pot, he got this Amrita. People like us, those who are completely foolish and those whose consciousness is engaged in all material things, they think that everything of this material world is like immortal, and if we get that, then everything is accomplished. But in reality, who is a Vishaya? Mataji, Prasad?
This side.
Everybody got? But in reality, who is a Vishaya? Vishaya means the ordinary word nowadays which we translate it. Vishaya means those objects by which we can enjoy our senses. But in reality, who is Vishaya? The only person who can be Vishaya, that is Bhagavan himself. So that is real Vishaya. One should hanker for that, not for any other Vishaya of this material world. But people, they are ignorant and they run out to get like different things for themselves, which they consider is like topmost wealth, gold and all these things on this day.
प्रभु जी ये
And
जो
he's coming
मंदिर
by the will of the Lord, he said? Like
इधर
Avatar?
विषय है,
He is
कोई
not
पूरा
avatar, he
छाया
is
का
coming by
तरफ
the
चला
will of the
गया,
Lord.
कोई विषय के लिए मस्त हो गया।
So the people of the world, they are just like attracted to the reflection of the real Vishaya, which is material wealth.
तो ये जो समुद्र मंथन हुआ, अभी जो समुद्र है
लेकिन
इसीलिए
इसको खंडन किया, यदि अमृत उसमें है, हैं? तो देवता लोग मरता क्यों? अमृत खाने से जब अमर हो जाता तो देवता लोग जाता नहीं। अच्छा, देवता लोग को बीमार होता नहीं, तो बोलता है देवता को अमरा, वो मरता नहीं, निर्जरा, उससे कोई व्याधि होता नहीं। अगर व्याधि होता नहीं तो चंद्र का पैर रोग हुआ कैसे? इंद्र का इतना आंखों क्यों हो गया? व्याधि नहीं है, लेकिन बोलता है अमरा, निर्जरा, देवा, ऐसा देवता को नाम बोलता है। बहुत नाम है
इसका अर्थ क्या हुआ कि यद्यपि उनको अमर बोलते हैं, किंतु उस अमर का अर्थ है कि बहुत लंबे समय तक रहेंगे, किंतु इसका अर्थ ये नहीं है
ना, हमारा
रहेंगे।
जो दृष्टि है
उसके अनुसार,
उसका बियॉन्ड,
ठीक,
क्योंकि हमने उसको मौत देखता नहीं,
ठीक,
इसलिए बोलते हैं हमारा जावत चंद्र दिवाकरम, जब तक चंद्र सूर्य रहेगा,
इंदिरा तेरा नाम रहेगा।
ये तो जाएगा। स्थाने मुदीये समविस्सवेत। ब्रह्मा भी चला जाएगा इतना बड़ा आयु होने से भी। इसलिए हिरण्यकशिपु बड़ा होशियार था, ब्रह्मा का माफिक बोल नहीं चाहा, ले भी तो मरने वाला है, तो मैंने ऐसा कौशल करके ले लूंगा जे मैं मरना ही नहीं, दिन में मरेंगे नहीं, रात में मरेंगे नहीं, घर में नहीं, बाहर में नहीं, अस्त्र से भी नहीं, शस्त्र से भी नहीं, मरेगा कहाँ? आकाश से मरेंगे नहीं, जमीन में मरेंगे नहीं, मरने का स्थान कहाँ?
चलो
यही
बस,
अच्छा है।
बस बस बस।
इसको समझा दो।
So, even though the demigods are known as Amara, means they never die, they are eternal, eternally staying. And the Dhanvantari, the nectar which was been produced in the ocean is considered nectar, and he was carrying that. But in reality, that is also objectionable. Why? Because if all the demigods they are drinking that nectar, then why they die? It's not that they are eternal, they die. It's not that they don't get any disease, they also get some disease. So still why they are known as Amara, eternal, or Nirjara, means no disease can come to them. Why? Because Maharaj is mentioning that because our lifespan is very short, small, that's why in our lifespan may not be that they are dying. That's why they are known as Amara, means they are beyond our reach. We cannot see them. That's why they are known as Amara. Otherwise, they are also dying. They are also having disease. They are also fearful. They are also having enviousness. All these things are there also with them. But only because we are unable to perceive it, that's why we say they are Amara. Otherwise, not. And Maharaj, afterward he was expressing that Hiranyakashipu, even Brahma, Indra, they have to die also. That's why Hiranyakashipu, he wanted to become much more intelligent than Brahma. He was asking a boon from that person who himself dies. He was asking him to give me a boon so that I should never die. He was asking him that I should not be killed by any creature made
By Brahma.
made by you. So in this way he was trying to become much more intelligent than him. But in this material world, it is not possible that anybody can be Amara in this 14th planetary system, including Brahma, or to speak of anybody else. Hare Krishna. I think we should move.
Hare Krishna.